Hi, good morning guys. So we have got a marriage function today and I'm gonna get ready, so I thought that I will vlog it. So let's get started. So first of all, I have already moisturized my face with this aloe vera gel and I've also applied a moisturizing cream. I really don't know the name of it. Now I'm gonna prep my face with this Lakme Blur Perfecting Primer as usual. You all know I use this primer for almost all my videos and it's a very good primer. I really like it. I'm just gonna apply it especially to T-zone and wherever I have got pores. Now I'm gonna apply this Wow sunscreen with SPF 50. Actually, I do not prefer applying sunscreen when I'm going for some function, but it's super sunny and since my dad is not here, we are going by auto. That's the reason I'm applying sunscreen, and this is a very nice sunscreen guys. It is not sticky and oily. Even if we are applying makeup on top of this, it's still fine. It's not gonna make our face oily. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this foundation to back of my hands and then I'll just dot it all over my face. By the way guys, this is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. Yep, it's done. Now I'm gonna take Lakme Rose Powder and I'm gonna set my face with this, and I'll be using the same damp sponge for that. So I'll be taking a good amount of this powder and I'll be setting my whole face with this. Yes, I do have dry skin, but then now it is summers, even my skin is tiny bit oily, and as I said, it's so hot and humid here, so I'm gonna sweat a lot. Do not want my makeup to just go off like that. That's the reason I'm just doing this. By the way guys, please ignore the mess at the back. So this is the saree I'm gonna wear. So I think you guys must have already seen the saree because I have shown you guys the lace, how I attach lace to saree. So move on to eye makeup. For that, first I will do my eyebrows. For that, I'll be using this eyebrow pencil which I got from Club Factory. It's a very nice eyebrow pencil. So this has got this kind of slanting tip which makes it really easy to apply. So I'll be just filling in the gap. That's it. And this stays on for a very long time, so it's a very good eyebrow pencil, and I think it was just for 100 rupees, maybe less than that. First I'll be using this light beige shade from this Maybelline's Nude palette, and I'll be applying it all over my eyelids, just below my brow bone as well. Then I'll be taking this light brown shade and just gonna define my crease. Just to the outer corners, that's it. Then I'll be taking this golden shade and applying it all over my eyelids. I'll be taking this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate. I'll be applying it to my waterline. Then I'll be using this Lakme Insta Liner and I'll be drawing a thick wing liner. I'll be applying this Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Rose Touch. Look at this, Ima baby got ready. I'm going to say hi. Oh, thank you baby. But I can't kiss you. I can't kiss you. I can't kiss you. അമ്മയ്ക്ക് ഇമ്മക്കുട്ടി കിസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Karanam Amma lipstick ittu. Look at her, guys, with kajal. Kuti kannidya. Kannidya. Kuti ellarodu hi parayo. Hi parayo. Flying kiss edukko. So this is the mascara I'm gonna wear. This is Essence Lash Mania Reload one, and just apply it. Oh god, it's so my face makeup is done, and I will have to do my hair and put bindi and wear sari. So I will quickly finish it off. So I'm gonna set my makeup with LA Pro setting spray. And so I have changed the accessories. That's because one of the kundam just broke, and that was because Ima pulled my necklace. So that's how it happened, and I do not have the time to stick that and all those things. So I just went ahead and wore this. I know it doesn't go well with this kind of chiffon sari, but then it matches with my blouse. But still, I'm not that happy. But I do not have that much time. So I absolutely love the wing liner, how it turned out, and surprisingly both my wing look similar. It's not the same, of course, never it is same in my case. Already I'm sweating, that's the reason I didn't put my hair open, just braided my hair. By the way, I don't know if you guys can see, I have done a French, I don't know if you guys can see, I have actually done French braid. So that's it, guys. I will talk to you guys once we are back. Hi guys, so we are back, and as you guys can see, I'm super duper tired. My makeup is already faded, my lipstick has gone from inside, but my eye makeup is still on point. Wing is still there, so that's good. Ima has already slept, and it was a Christian marriage, so it was a so yummy biryani. I had a full biryani, and that's the reason I'm feeling so sleepy, but I can't sleep right now because I have to do a lot of things. I have to edit few videos, so currently I'm gonna edit. It's just 5 minutes editing, so after that I have to do some stitching. So almost everything is edited, only I have to add on pictures. So I will talk to you guys once I am done with this. So for today's stitching, we are gonna convert this large size t-shirt to a jacket. So all we need is a large size t-shirt. If you want, you can go ahead and take extra large t-shirt. More big it is, more easier it would be to work. So we are going to convert it into this kind of jacket. All we need is round neck, large size t-shirt. That's it. And obviously sewing machine and scissors. That's it. So what we need to do is lay down the t-shirt in a flat surface, and then we have to cut through the way which I'm going to show you guys, like this. Like at one side we need to cut through the shoulder part as well as the armpit side. Another side we need to cut through only the armpit side, not the shoulder side. So for this t-shirt we are gonna cut both the sides except for
shoulder part of one side. I hope it makes any sense. Please follow the way I'm gonna show you. I'm showing to you guys right now. So I think some of you guys must have already seen this in YouTube already, because it's very very popular method. There are lot many videos like this. So I have seen this first in a book. After that, obviously I have seen a YouTube video of this. So I have tried it before as well, and it has come out perfectly. I mean, it has come out really really well. So that's the reason I thought I will just share with you all. This is my brother's old t-shirt. He's not using it anymore. So I thought I will just try this out, and again it came out pretty well. So if you can go ahead and take a basic t-shirt, that would be perfect. Black or white, that would be really really good, without any print. But even if there is any print, it's gonna come at one part of sleeve. That's it. That's also pretty cool. So all you need to do is just open it up and fold it in the way I'm showing you guys right now, and just stitch the sides. That's it. So just fold it in this way, and make sure that you pin the side, so that when you're stitching it, it doesn't move here and there. So with that, jacket will be done, and that's it. And I also want to tell you guys, I didn't show you guys that sari, full sari to you. That's because I have already done a full video of how to stitch that sari with lace. In that I have shown you guys in detail. So I will leave the link up in the cart, so please do check it out. And that's it guys, I'm gonna stop my vlog here. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. So if so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Please do try this out, DIY jacket, converting this t-shirt into DIY jacket. Please do it. It's very easy and simple, but the end result is, I mean, like, amazing. So please do try it out. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye.